Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be removing my client's old set and soaking them off so we can do a new full set. When it comes to removing nails, make sure you're doing a soak off because you don't want to cause any unnecessary damage to your client's nails when ripping off. I start off by cutting down my client's nails and then going with my e-file and a fine or coarse drill bit to debulk some of the nails before putting in acetone. I use 100% pure acetone from my local nail shop supply. You can go ahead and purchase from one of yours online or a regular store like Walmart or Target in your area. So to help me get the job done, I love using these soak off bowls because they make the job 100 times more easier. All I do is separate the parts and add hot, not warm water to the bowl, and then have my clients soak their nails in it for 10 to 15 minutes about 4 times. Each time I take the nails out, I use this part of a cuticle pusher to scrape off the excess acrylics, and again, just repeat until all the acrylic is removed. This process does take a long time, but again, it's going to be one of the best ways to remove nails safely without causing damage to your client's natural nails. So I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys finish watching this video, and I will insert the next video of me doing her next nails. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't, and also turn on your post notifications, that way you don't miss anything.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.